Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make TikTok account from private to public in 2022. So the process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So you don't need to worry if you are on Android device. First open your TikTok app, then log into your account which you want to change to public account. Then go to profile, tap on the profile at the bottom right. Next step, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then select from pop-up menu settings and privacy. And here you will see privacy here. Tap on privacy. And then first option, private account. I think your toggle is enabled here. If you private account enable, with the private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. And now we should swipe the slider at the left side and disable private account. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.